Y'all, I'm back with a video update on TikTok Shop. So I've officially made 2K in TikTok Shop. I did the monthly breakdown the other day and I made $9 in March, 800 in April, and so far I've made 1.2K in May, which is great. I do think I'm about to join a group though. Again, it's all ads. I made a few sales here and there, but majority is from ads. So when the ads go away, like the money's going away. So I need some organic things to pop off. But I made this video because I'm out of the sample jail. I have now requested so many samples, and like 90 to 80% of them are getting approved. So you just have to make some money first, or even just be in a few months. I don't know if it's the money I'm making from the ads or if it's just me being in for a few months, but I'm getting like 3 samples every day and requesting viral ones. I just got approved for a boom boom stick, which it might be too late to make videos on that, but for conspiracy, that's killing it. And I just got, some Mary Ruth's came in. So a hair supplement, because apparently you're supposed to do products that naturally go with you. It's not really nice long hair. I'm gonna try to do more hair supplements and stuff, but I still have a lot of viral supplements. So I'm just kind of going, I got some clothes. Fashion Nova approved me for some clothes, which I love. I got a pair of jeans the other day that I just did a review for, and the viral shower cap, which is a hair product that's going viral. I got approved for that. Like I'm getting approved. I got approved for some hats. Like I'm getting approved for things, and I'm not having to buy anything anymore. So I do have some tech stuff here I thought would go more viral. I went live with this 7-in-1 clock the other day. I might try to go live with the hand signs for the car. If not, I think I'm just gonna turn both of those and just keep sticking with the supplements. I mean, my page categorized me as tech and supplements, so I could still do tech, but I don't know what more I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna join the group. I'm gonna join TikTok Insiders because Dom has a first month half off, so it's like $48, and he does a full page audit, which most of the other groups don't do. And if not, I'll try to join Traffic Hackers. But part of me is like a little skeptical because a lot of like, again, um, when you go on the Melinas, I made a video on that. The Melinas, the Kaylee's, like the TikTok shop, stay at home mom, like just the middle-aged white woman channels, like not all their videos are getting millions of views. Like there are some that are, but they say they're getting consistent sales. They're getting 20, 30, 40K a month with like thousands of views, 10,000 views, 50K views. You know what I'm saying? And they're just regular FaceTiming videos. Like they're not these intricate things. So when you join like Dom and then like um TikTok Insiders, I mean Traffic Hackers, which is Johnny Profound's group, all those that group specifically is about going viral. It's a lot of conspiracy. It's a lot of like there are girls in there doing not conspiracy like Pei and Mel, but it's still like a very going viral tactic. But they're making 60K months as well. So well, Mel would make like 10 to 20, but Pei makes 60, and like a lot of people are being realistic in Pei's comments like, "Girl, you're like super pretty and girly and blonde and skinny, so like of course you're gonna make a lot of money." Versus with Dom, it is going viral, but it also is a little mix of kind of like what the stay-at-home moms do, like Ava's in there. If you don't know who these people are, you can comment and I can send you their TikToks. But she's very much like realistic. Like they do promote like story TikToks though, like not just like how the stay at home moms do. Like, do you hate when your kids do this? Blah blah blah. Product point like the pain regular marketing, which is just easier to record. Like you see a lot of these moms. I just saw another one today who records 50 videos at once. Like you cannot do that when you're doing these story videos. I'm sorry to say these conspiracy. Like I recorded 10 today in like an hour, and like 2 are conspiracy, 2 are copying viral, and some are my own, and you can't, but I also need help with coming up with 40 of my own little things like that style with ChatGPT. And I think Dom has scripts for that, like scripts to come up with these things. I did type in my own for the Phil Foul model, and I got like 5 for the chafing cream, and I didn't do any of them, so that's on me. But I think his group with the page audit, and I want to see if he can help me focus on, like, I have all these samples, like, which one should I focus on? Oh, I got this. This is a viral product, this breather. I need to do more of these. But, like, coming up with my own original way to sell this, because copying videos does not work for me. I still do it because sometimes I just have no idea what to record a video for, and I would just take a viral video that's gone viral before and copy the format. At least know it's worked once, and it's usually a decent quality video. They have not been working for me as far as performing. The videos that have performed not with ads are things I've done originally on my own, honestly, which is crazy to say. So I'm trying to get better at that. So I think that is what the TikTok insiders will help me do. Like help me use the scripts that that he has for Chat GPT to help me just create like 10 scripts for this one product. I can just knock them out in front of the camera like this. Like does your best thing, or whatever. And go from there. So that's what I'm in there for. And again, for the page audit, and then him and Ava can maybe say, hey, maybe you should focus on these. I have like all these samples. And I really just want to ask them, what product should I like focus on, and just go to Chat GPT and then get 50 scripts for it and just make a bunch is what I really want to get in that for. And then if not, I'm going to get Fastmoth. So then I'm going to do that. I am going to join Johnny Profound's TikTok Traffic Hackers. After these two, if I don't make a drastic change in money, I'm not doing it. I've made enough money to afford these. Like, these are at a profit. So it's nice. And then I always start with cheaper first. And then again, John does a page audit, which a lot of people do not do. It's a separate thing. That's like another $80 versus this is included with his Discord. And then I'm going to just go to Fastmoth. I did not like Calodata. I thought I would like it better than Fastmoth, but maybe I like Fastmoth. And then I will just, again, that's just to copy videos. For real, that's really what it is. I found a free transcriber, so I don't have to use the daily virals anymore. And yeah, so that's where I'm at. Okay, so I don't have any organic, but I'm making good money. A lot of the people who are giving me free samples are willing to run ads, though. I think some people have, and they have not been converting like the first product has been. So I'm hoping these next products I got will have ads. Obviously, viral products, they're not. They're not going to pay to run an ad on this when people are making organic sales. They're not going to pay the Mary Ruth brand. They're not going to pay me because people are making organic sales. However, this massager here, they might, what else? The NAD supplement, they might. NAD is going viral, but I got a different NAD brand. And yeah, just other stuff. So I really want to get organic or more brands. I want to scale to $200, $300 a day. Like, I'm almost at a point where I kind of want to lock it on TikTok Shop and take a break from trading. But I know how I am, and I don't want to. I've put in almost a year and a half of trading. I cannot just give up. But making already 2K in 2 months from something I started, dropshipping, I didn't even make 2K in 2 months. I was losing 2K in 2 months. But I've made 2K from TikTok Shop. I even made my initial $500 I put to grow the account. You see what I'm saying? I've already made that and then some. So it's like, this is working. So I should spam this. And I do want to go back to trading when I have income coming in like this. Or I'm thinking about going back to just trading my funded account to not lose any more live money. But we will see. I have $100 in an options account. I'm just going to use it. When that's blown, we'll go from there. But as far as our sample gel, I'm excited because now I can actually see, oh, this is a viral product I want to market. Like this one, I want to, I actually love this product. I actually want to market this, and I don't have to pay for it, and it's going viral right now. So that's the cycle you want to be in. Again, a lot of the stay-at-home moms market a bunch of stuff too, and that's another thing. A lot of the guys are like, yeah, I market this hair thing, like that cute guy who does the teeth whitener. He made 40 views of the teeth whitener. He's made $1 million in GMV. Great, but the women are just marketing every product they have in their house, and I feel like resonates with me more. And they're not being, that guy with the teeth whitener is being salesy, but a lot of other guys are these conspiracy, adding clips, adding pictures on the text, before and after podcast clips. Like, that is so much work, and it works, but you still have to put a lot of those videos out. Versus if I could just crank out 50 videos saying, hey, use this hair oil, this is how you get long locks like the moms do, and still print. I rather do that. So that's why I'm like skeptical of the discourse, because a lot of them are like the guy heavy, the viral heavy, that heavy. However, I heard with the traffic hackers, they do teach you how to go viral, like what you need to do for your hook, what you need to do for this. And I've seen an array of videos in that space. A lot of them are men who do the conspiracy style, but like Pepe does, like, not conspiracy, but kind of, I don't know. Pepe and like It's Kira are just so beautiful, skinny bitches. Like, let's be serious. But that style, like, oh my god, this is what I used to look like. My waist is snatched, blah blah blah. Like, that thing is working. I did just start running again, so I can probably do that then. But I feel like I'm not small enough. And then when I did the cellulite massager, I feel like I'm not fat enough because I already lost like 40 pounds. So it's like I don't have cellulite. I don't really get cellulite even when I get fat because I'm an athlete. But that was like the point I made. Like I don't have cellulite. I gained 70 pounds. But then I looked at the video. Like my legs look kind of good in that video. Like I'm like, because where I'm at my weight loss journey, my legs look really good, but my stomach doesn't. So I can't really do that. Oh, the Zempic worked for the stomach, and I can't just show my legs for that product either. So that's kind of where I'm at. But I ran 2 days in a row. My legs are sore. I'm gonna do upper body tomorrow to give my legs a break, and I'm gonna run. I'm gonna do 2 days on running, 1 day off upper body. Hopefully that helps. And yeah, I just don't know. I gotta figure it out. My winning product is this. They're running the ads for me, a Gonable probiotic, for like HPV. So I don't know if I should just spam that, you know. But I just don't know. So it's nice to be at a sample gel though. It's very nice to be at a sample gel. I don't have to pay any more money now. Like everything is free, and then honestly, you can order what you want. And just post one video and still post because you should be posting 5 to 10 times a day anyway. A lot of these sample companies only want one video. They'll give it to you. You want to be good and make a relationship with these brands and make more videos, but you don't have to. You can just like there's some products like I got this thinking it was a better foam mount and it's actually very shitty and I posted one video and I meant to post two, but it's not the one I wanted. It's very terrible and the it was met. It was met. It doesn't violate my account. I paid it. They accidentally sent me two too, which whatever. So yeah, get in TikTok shop, make a little money, post, and then you'll be able to get free samples just like in a month or two. So it's not that long. It is not close. It's not short. However, it's not super long.